Hi, I'm Shandy Foster, and I am a district educator. In 2 short months, members of our community will vote on an $18 million educational technological bond to help update the technology infrastructure of our school district and community center. In order to persuade community members to vote in favor of the bond, we will stage the following stations at our community event. Station 1 is going to introduce attendees to the Universal Design for Learning. We're going to draw our audience members in by creating stations that are bright in color and also that integrate the technology that we plan to use through the bond. We're going to have a smartboard projector ready to demonstrate our UDL principles via a chosen video that we have picked, and participants will also get to join in our raffle. Apple and Best Buy have donated items, including an iPad mini and a $50 Best Buy gift card. In addition, the local Apple store and local Best Buy store have decided to volunteer as representatives to be active in all 3 stations to help us demonstrate the technology. At this station, we'll be handing out flyers with all 3 UDL principles listed in a brief synopsis of each principle, available in both English and Spanish. To better educate the community event attendees about the significance of UDL principles on students in pre-K through 12th, we'll discuss each principle's function to meet individualized needs of diverse groups of students. To demonstrate the principles of UDL, we will be showing them a short video on the smartboard projector, and they'll be able to follow along with that information with the informative flyers. At Station 1, we will be discussing the impact that UDL has on teaching and learning, and how differentiation enhances learning. After demonstrating the video UDL at a glance, we will discuss how UDL has a positive impact on teaching because it's aimed to meet the unique needs of all students. By providing multiple pathways which students can learn and achieve their learning goals. These concepts support differentiation and enhance learning by providing alternative forms of content presentation, such as some students learn better visually, some learn better through kinesthetic movement while they're learning, some learn better by hearing the information. Attendees will interact with different games and educational applications on the iPads and will be receiving assistance, facilitated assistance, via the volunteers and educator volunteers as well. Attendees will experience firsthand how UDL and technology allow educators to provide one-on-one facilitated instruction, and that will allow the volunteers to show them the one-on-one facilitated instruction through help with app usage and tablet features. Station 2 is all about the integration of technology in UDL for all learners. We're basing it on our school's program. We believe that each student has the right to equitable access to quality education that not only meets individual needs but also prepares them for the global economy. We've made it our mission to provide high-quality education and high expectations through the integration of technology and UDL along with career and technical education. We have 2 main educational program goals. The first is the utilization of technological tools to enhance academic achievement and provide equitable access to quality education while promoting responsible digital citizenship. The second is to provide our diverse body of students career and technological skills development to better prepare them for success regardless of any path they choose, if they choose to go to college or if they decide to enter the workforce after graduation. This list of courses and program offerings will be shared with the attendees. It's not exhaustive, but I believe it's an efficient representation of the types of programs that we offer that showcase the technology that we will be using. Station 3 is 21st century skills acquisition and employability. The technology and 21st century skills are important, and this can be showcased through our high school STEM club. In the area of content knowledge and 21st century skills, students will build mastery in mathematics skills and scientific principles by engaging in STEM club activities that require them to use the scientific method, their critical thinking skills, mathematical calculations, and computers to perform tasks. In the area of learning and innovation skills, students will develop their creativity and innovation skills to perform tasks such as drafting a model of a building before creating it with a 3D printer. In the area of information, media, and technology skills, students will develop ICT literacy, where they perform research, connect through social media, and present information about their thoughts and ideas. Students will also be learning life and career skills by gaining skills in productivity and accountability through the STEM club activities, working on deadlines, meeting STEM club activity goals. They'll also be working on social skills in their own district clubs, teams, and through other districts where they will meet in competitions. In the high school STEM club and other STEM clubs and robotics clubs, students will be using tools such as coding software to program robotics and other programming engineering activities. Attendees will be provided with information brochures that summarize the programs that we have, and will also include a link that they can follow to explore other programs that we offer. We will also set up a simple 3-step robotics coding activity for attendees to perform themselves. By performing the work that the students will engage in, they will get a first-hand experience of the skills that students learn through the STEM club and the technology integration in the classroom. By using the technology that the students will use, they will gain a better understanding of how the integration of technology and UDL principles help students to increase their academic success. By using a lot of the new technology that we are hoping to acquire through the bond, attendees will learn how this new technology benefits students, teachers, and the community as a whole. By updating our community's access to the latest technology, we can ensure that students are prepared for future success in college or the workforce. They benefit greatly by the technology and educational programs, as these tools assist them in solving real-world problems, both collaboratively and independently. Teachers save a lot of time in the classroom using these technological advances. It allows them to provide more differentiated instruction and more one-on-one facilitated instruction. Community members will benefit from our youth and adult students' knowledge of technology, as it fosters teamwork, critical thinking, and integrated academic disciplines for a strong foundation in general education skills and the development of 21st century skills that are applicable to many fields. Thank you for listening.